gosh, man, that was freaking sick.
Left, right.
Yeah?
Do that.
Alright. Are they getting pretty good at this now?
Did a backflip. Yeah, almost all the way around.
Did we hit the tall one?
Keep swimming, Griff.
Yeah, I know.
Get out, Griffy. Griffy, get out.
He did an awesome one. Did you record it when he did that?
Let's go, Griffy!
There you go.
Oh, that was a
back splash.
Does that feel good? Kaleb, you're not gonna reach that.
Yeah, she recognizes that now. I've ridden it so much.
You guys want to go do some slides? Why don't you go do it one more time and let's do some slides.
Yeah, baby!
Hang on. Put your feet forward. Go.